Hey guys, how's it going? Minggu yang lalu, Rachel ke Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, dan dia coba di sana durian goreng. Jadi, hari ini saya ada inspirasi dan mau bikin durian goreng. Yang pertama, untuk durian, ambil bijinya. Kita mau buah aja, buah durian aja. Menurut saya, wanginya durian enak banget. Oh, no. Pasti kamu sudah tahu ini. Saya coba durian di Medan, di Jakarta juga. Menurut saya rasanya kayak bawang bombay. Oh man. Duriannya cukup 6 biji. Oh ya, yeah, paling penting, jangan lupa bersihin tangan sebelum masak. Oke, sekarang saya mau bikin durian perkedel. Masukin durian ke tepung basah. Ini sudah selesai dan saya mau cobain. Like I said earlier, that was inspiration from a dish that Rachel tried in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia about a week ago. Sounded really interesting, so I was like, I've got to make this when I get back home. It is a little bit difficult, so my big tip is make sure your oil isn't too hot because it's just going to burn the tepung beras, alright? Now, you probably already know I'm not too keen of durian, but I'm going to try it one more time, and this is all for you because you guys requested this. Have a look in the middle, guys, just for you guys that you're durian lovers out there. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, guys. That's durian in there. Beautiful texture, kind of juicy. Definitely got that durian taste. Manis as well, nice and sweet. Okay, here we go. Okay. Satu, dua, tiga. Manis. Definitely manis. Okay, so the tepung beras is really sweet. The outside is really nice. Have a look at the texture in the middle, guys. So the taste. Sorry. The taste, the outside is really sweet. And the durian's really sweet too. So it's definitely quite good. After the sweetness, you just get a very overpowering taste of durian. This is the bit that I don't like. I'm trying to swallow. Go, breathe. Woo! You win! Wow, that was excellent. Alright guys, thanks ever so much for watching that. I got loads of requests. Make a dessert with durian, so there you go. Please do that at home. Any requests, comment below. Any advice you want on cooking, comment below. If you want me to try some food in a restaurant somewhere in Jakarta, or maybe even in a different city in Indonesia, comment below. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, how's it going? Minggu Kemp, Rachel Kirk. I'm just gonna move the chair, but there's a chair here. I don't need this chair. It's very random. Oh. Oh, this is awful. This is really bad. No, it's really good. Please make this at home. Warm.